Hey guys, it's Galen. I'm back showing a Unity Stamp Company creation. I have a one-layer card with masking, ink blending, and embossing. I'm going to use the kit by Unity called Search for Those Moments. It is a previous Layers of Life kit from November 2017, and it works perfectly with the ink blending that I'm going to do for this card. You see how large this stamp is. It's wonderful. It has like a distressed look to it. Just what I was looking for. I pre-die cut a background panel. I have distress oxide ink and faded jeans, spiced marmalade, and peeled paint. I'm using ink in Versamark ink and Ranger archival ink. I'm using blending brushes that are actually makeup brushes. But you can find all different types of brushes that are great for ink blending online. I have Post-it tape that I'm going to use for masking. So on a Ranger plastic craft mat, I place the background panel and I place where I want the masking to be. I place the Post-it masking tape, which is a repositionable tape that can be removed without damaging the back. So I chose to use a partial image, partial stamping over just a smaller area and offset a little bit. So I just laid down the stamp to see where I wanted those tapes to be adhered down to know where I wanted it to go after I finished the inking. So I chose to ink first with Distress Oxide ink and blend 3 shades, more of a green towards the bottom and an orangey golden sunset look towards the middle. And I'm going to add a blue towards the top. Now I use a medium makeup brush for most of it, and I'm going to come in and use a smaller makeup brush for the blue. And I blend it a little bit. I'm blending it not so perfectly. I didn't want it to be an exact transition from one color to the other, so I let it overlap. And sometimes I go over again with the colors. Now to remove the color, all you have to do is remove the color from the brushes. Just rub the brush over a piece of paper and it will take a lot of the ink off the makeup brush. I heat set that just to make sure that before I do heat embossing that it is dry. Now I'm placing, using the Misty stamping tool, I'm placing the stamp. I'm adding Versamark ink and I'm using that watermark ink to add embossing powder to. I chose to use silver embossing powder for this. Now I'm going to remove the Post-it masking tape from the top and the bottom of the stamped image, and then I will heat emboss it. This creates a one-layer card look that has depth and dimension and color, texture, all on one layer. So I'm adding the sentiment with the Misty stamping tool again. I added foam tape to the back of this panel and I added that to the card base. There you go, it's a one-layer card. I couldn't help myself. I actually added some adhesive pearls to it. Thanks a lot. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.